If you want to know how to draw realistic hairs, watch this video. Hello, this is Nafis and you're watching the fourth part of Harry Potter's portrait tutor. I start to hatch the forehead with a pencil and then I fade it with a brush. Drawing the hairs is the easiest part, but it requires strong nerves and a lot of patience. I start drawing the strands of the hair with a color pencil. I must constantly look at the photo of the model to draw the hair strands according to the reference. Now, with a few amount of charcoal powder, I start shading the hair in the direction of each strand. I need to draw some strands and fade them again. With a pencil eraser, I highlight the lighter strands of the hair. You can now see how shading and highlighting reveal the volume of the hairs. We have to repeat this process of drawing, shading, erasing, and brightening to achieve the desired contrast and texture. To draw hairs, it's so important that the tip of the eraser and pencil be sharp. In this way, neater, thinner, and more hair-like lines are drawn. In the next videos, I'm going to teach all kind of straight, wavy, and curly hairstyles. So remember to subscribe and activate the bell. It's okay if you feel like the drawing is messed up anywhere. Most of the times you can remove the shadows with an eraser and start it over, like what I did. Now that's so much better. I thought that eyebrows were not really good, so I start to draw on them again. In the next part, I'll draw more details of the eyes. I'm so happy that you have been with me so far. See you in the next part.